I just took my daughter's braids out after about 3 months, washed her hair yesterday, and this is what we're working with. I actually ordered this last night and it just came today. I needed something quickly because the one we had got damaged. We actually had the TYMO ring, and this is the Timo Ionic Straightening Brush, and right away you can tell it's different from the regular straightening combs. Turning on is really simple. Right here, just hold the button down and it heats up pretty fast. So it goes all the way up to 450 degrees, and you can switch between Fahrenheit and Celsius depending on what you're used to. I like that it shows the temperature on the screen so you know exactly what setting you are on. So I've actually been using the Timo ring straightener for about 2 years now, and it works, but I will say this is a lot easier to use. With the ring, it always felt like you were really putting in effort to straighten the hair, like you had to go in and really work through each section. But with this one, it feels more like you're brushing the hair while straightening it at the same time, which makes the whole process feel a lot more manageable. And especially with her hair being 4C, thick and coarse, I'm not expecting one pass to do everything. I'm just taking my time, going section by section, and you can already see the difference as I go. It stretches the hair out, it smooths it, it reduces that shrinkage without making it look flat or overpressed, which you can honestly achieve if that's what you are looking for. And I like that because I don't always want that super flat iron look. I still want her hair to have some body to it. Another thing I really like is that I can get closer to her roots without worrying about burning her. So the design of the brush helps protect the scalp, which makes a big difference when you're doing a child's hair. And this would also help with frizz. As I keep going over the sections, you can see it's getting smoother and more manageable. Now, this isn't something where you just do one quick pass and you're done, especially with this hair type, but it definitely makes the process easier compared to what I've used before. And guys, for me, anything that saves time, makes it less stressful, especially with kids, is always a win. Overall, this is one of those tools that just make doing hair feel more doable, especially in a busy home like mine. I love this comb. I feel like I wanted to get one for every one of my kids and maybe myself when I decide to grow my hair. I just feel like school mornings got so much easier for me. I definitely recommend this brush. I believe it comes in another different color, so make sure you check this out.